In this video I will try to use this ZY12PDN. Here I have ZTE, power supply. Okay. I have soldered this connector to use with my TS100. Okay, red light. If I left, blue blinks, blue light. Trying to change mode, doesn't work. It only blinks. Okay, I will try to program it by pushing button and then connecting. Switch to green mode for 12 volts. Okay, done. Long push, disconnect, connect again. Green stays. Trying to, nothing happens. Okay, green, there is no output 12 volts, only 5. I will try to measure it. Okay, here it is multimeter. Positive, negative. Five volts. Disconnect, connect again. Still 5 volts. Green but 5 volts and 10 blinks. Someone can say that maybe this cable doesn't work or this adapter, but I have here power bank. Here in quick charge.